And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
We are halfway through the work week and the time is 6:44. We're looking at the Doppler network to get this forecast going. We're looping it back to last night. That's when we saw the showers and thunderstorms start to pick up just around 7 or 8. And they did move through the valley, bringing some heavy rain at times, but they were so quick to move by that it didn't really make a whole lot of accumulation out there. So here we go. You see some light blues, some dark blues, even a little hint of green. So when we put your estimated rainfall totals here on the map, they range anywhere from just around a ½ inch up to just over 1.5 inches of accumulation. So it just depends on where you were and how heavy it rained over in your particular area. But it looks like just over the ranch lands in Starr County, that's where a lot of the heavier rain did fall. Future track shows that this morning we'll have a few clouds around, but I think this green is just overcompensating for a little bit of that moisture left over. But high pressure is going to continue to push in that drier, cooler air from the north. And so we'll have plenty of sunshine today and below average warmth. So let's take a look at your day planner forecast. Here we go. 67 this morning, so it's a little cool. Maybe small kids may need a light jacket. And with low humidity, talking about dew point values in the 50s and falling through the low 50s today. 83 won't feel too shabby by noon. 87 is your forecast high, and we're back to 85 for your drive time home. We will have that north wind at about 8 to 16 miles per hour. The reason for that, high pressure is settling in just over New Mexico this morning. So we will have that wind out of the north behind the front that'll continue to make its way south, pushing all of that moisture out of the valley. So here's a look at future track and to show you what's in store for the weekend. As we start the clock at 6 this morning, we're definitely going to be below average today with that cooler, drier air moving into place. High pressure, however, will begin to make its way east. As that happens, the southeast wind returns by tomorrow, and we're looking at rising humidity. Temperatures will go up over the weekend. We're talking about upper 90s, and it's going to be breezy, hot, and very humid. 7 o'clock at night on Saturday. Notice that the front's exiting the panhandle. Here it comes. It gets a bit closer to deep South Texas by about Monday afternoon. Here's 2 o'clock on the map, and you do see some hints of green around the valley. So with that being said, we are going to keep a small chance for rain in your Memorial Day forecast. And by that, I mean a 20 to 30% chance for an afternoon shower or thunderstorm to develop. Otherwise, clouds will definitely thicken up Sunday going into Monday, and high temperatures will be a little bit cooler, but still on the humid side, near 93 degrees. If you're doing any boating or fishing today, not too shabby. It's a little breezy this morning, but that wind will subside as we go into the second half of the day. A moderate chop on the bay will subside to a light chop near shore waters 3 to 4 feet. Mariners of small craft, you should use caution while you're out on the Gulf this morning until those seas subside a little bit more. Low tide is at 8:33. High tide is already passed at 4 o'clock this morning. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 87 degrees today, falls to 69 tonight under clear skies and relatively light winds. Tomorrow, warm and breezy, rather muggy near 94. Breezy, hot, and humid for Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be near 97 and going up to 98 for the weekend. And as we head into Sunday going into Monday, that's where we'll see the clouds increase. Spotty showers and thunderstorms will remain in the forecast Monday and Tuesday, with that approaching cold front kind of just settling in just north of us or over top of the valley. But looking at it, rain chances 20 to 30%, high temperatures in the low 90s. Overnight lows will get warmer starting tomorrow night. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s for the remainder of the forecast. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.